How to delete a BeReal from memories. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to delete a BeReal from your memories that you have posted. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your BeReal app on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get BeReal is becoming really famous nowadays, and everybody loves to post on BeReal, and we have to post within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So sometimes we do not like the memory that we have, or for some reason we want to delete it. So how to do that? For that, you will actually have to open up your profile, and it will take you right here. So once you get to your profile, you can see we have your memories, which is only visible to us. Here we have this calendar, last 14 days, or I can view all my memories. So if I click on all my memories, then it will give me a calendar view for a month. And you can see I have one BeReal posted that I posted today. So in order to delete that, you will have to open it up. Click on it and you will be able to open it up. And now you can see we have three dots at the top right corner. Click on three dots, and then we have delete from memories. In order to delete, I will select this option. You want to delete permanently? Yes, click on delete and your BeReal will be deleted. You can see I do not have any BeReal in my memories now. This is how you can also go ahead and delete your BeReals from your memories. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.